Hey, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Andre King coming at you here in day 11 of my OSCP Plus journey. And here are the last two chapters that we kind of brushed up on today. To be quite honest, a lot of it I felt was more of the soft skills and kind of getting us used to different practices, thoughts that we may use when kind of doing or performing pen tests when we don't kind of have an assumed breach and we need to establish an initial foothold. So some of the topics we covered harp really a lot on the different types of phishing campaigns. Take, for instance, smishing. This is one, of course, that leverages SMS texting. Then there's vishing, of course, where we leverage voice type of activities. And we know starting from the top, whaling, where we're kind of targeting those senior executive or C-suite type of course, employees. And then with that, we also learned a little bit about MFA fatigue, which is where we just continue to, send MFA attempt after MFA attempt. And so in hopes that a user gets all of these alerts on their phone and just clicks OK to try to make them stop. So just the different types of phishing campaigns, and those aren't, of course, all of them, but some of the things that we learned. And then we went on to kind of see how we could take advantage of maybe copying or cloning a website so that we can locally play around with the different parameters, security, cookies, etc., to see how we interact without sending those requests to the actual site, so that we can kind of leverage a dummy page and different types of campaigns, emails, etc., to click there. And so here we see just, a simple WGET command with a lot of different flags and parameters. And this is what some of them actually do. But when ran, of course, this is taking those resources, a lot of the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, etc., on a flat file structure and placing it here. And so we see in the browser when we load up our localhost or 127.0.0.1, either or, that we can go ahead and navigate and have this, of course, here locally to, of course, play around with. So again, here today, like I noted, I think a lot of it, I'm trying to see where it might come into play on the actual exam without having taken it, not sure. But they noted that anything that's in their training could be a possibility. And so I'm not breezing through or rushing through the course material. We're almost on chapter 11 or 12, I think, is next. And that's going to be client-side attacks. So this is what we got here in day 11, slowed down a bit. Like we said, not as technical, but still need to learn and be able to apply these principles in our pen testing engagements. So hoping to see you all tomorrow in day number 12. But until next time, stay safe, take care of yourselves, and peace.